integration of dx upon x square plus 4x plus 13, x square plus 4x plus 13 is equal to a answer here log of x square plus 4x plus 13, x square plus 4x plus 13 plus constant of integration. B answer here 1 upon 3 into tan inverse of x plus 2 upon 3 plus constant of integration. See here log of 2x plus 4, log of 2x plus 4 plus constant of integration, and D here twice x plus 4 upon x square plus 4x plus 13 plus constant of integration. Now we have to choose here which is the correct answer. Now we consider this given problem. So I is equal to integration of here 1 upon x square plus 4x plus 13. This is the quadratic expression. So we must know integration of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. We have to remember this type, or integration of 1 upon under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx, or integration of 1 upon under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. We must know this type. Integration of 1 upon this quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c, it may be in the root or it is like this. Then we have to always complete the square, and before to complete square we make the coefficient of x square as 1. Now here coefficient of x square is 1, so we complete the square. So 1 upon x square plus 4x as it is, and we add here last term, here plus 13, suppose here plus 13, and we have to add here one term, that is the last term, and that last term is 1/2 into coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is here 4 and bracket square. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 into 2 2, and 2 square 4, means we have to add here plus 4 and subtract that 4. So it is equal to integration of 1 upon x square plus 4x plus 4 is the complete square of x plus 2 bracket square. X plus 2 bracket square, it is x square plus 2 into x into 2, that is 4x plus 2 square, that is 4, and plus here 13 minus 4, it is 9, and 9 we write here 3 square dx. And now use the formula integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx, which is here 1 upon a into tan inverse of x upon a plus constant of integration. So it is equal to 1 upon a. 1 upon a here, a is here 3. A square means 3 square, a is 3. So 1 upon a, so 1 upon 3 into tan inverse of x. X is this bracket, that is x plus 2 upon a is here 3 plus constant of integration. Now see which is the correct answer. 1 upon 3 into tan inverse. So here B is the correct answer. 1 upon 3 tan inverse x plus 2 upon 3 plus constant of integration. Now we see here next problem. Integration of 9 to the power log of 3 log base 3 sec x dx, and answer here A answer sec x into tan x plus c, sec x into tan x plus c. B answer here cot x plus c. C answer here minus tan x plus c. tan x plus c, and D answer here sec square x minus tan square x, sec square x minus tan square x plus c. Now we have to find here correct answer. So consider here this given problem, we consider it as I is equal to integration of 9 to the power log of sec x to the base 3. We write this 9 as a 3 square, 9 as 3 square into log sec x to the base 3. We write this 9 as 3 square, and now we carry this 2 as a power of sec x using the rule of logarithm. So it is equal to integration of 3 to the power log of 3 and sec x to the square. So these 3 and log 3 get cancelled to each other. These 3 and log of 3 get cancelled to each other, because we know that a to the power log of x to the base a. This a to the power log a get cancelled and we get only x. So this 3 to the power log of 3 get cancelled, and here we get integration of sec x square means sec square x dx. We take this sec x bracket square means sec square x dx, and we know that here derivative of tan x is sec square x, so integration of sec square x is tan x, so it is tan x plus constant of integration. So answer here tan x plus c. So this is not answer, here also cot x, this is not answer. So correct answer is tan x plus constant of integration. Now next problem here, integration of e to the power a log of x plus e to the power x log of a dx, and answers given here: a x to the power a plus 1 plus a to the power x upon log a plus constant of integration. B answer here x to the power a plus 1 upon a plus 1 plus a to the power x into log a plus constant of integration. C answer here x to the power a plus 1 upon a plus 1 plus a to the power x upon log a plus constant of integration, and D answer here x to the power a plus 1 plus a to the power x into log of a plus constant of integration. Now we have to find here which is the correct answer. Now see here, we write this given problem as I is equal to integration of, now here e to the power a log x. A log x we write log of x to the power, we carry this a using the rules of logarithm as a power of x. So e to the power log x to the power a, okay. Then plus e to the power, here also carry this x as a power of a using the rules of logarithm. So log of a to the power x, and here dx. Now here base of logarithm is e. Here we have not given the base. So always base of logarithm is e. So here e and this e log to the power e. We have seen here a to the power log of x to the base a, that is equal to x. This and this get cancelled, we get x. So here e and log of e get cancelled, so we get here integration of this x to the power a plus here also e and log to the base e get cancelled, so a to the power x dx. And now here we have to take the integration of x to the power a. X to the power a is the number. Instead of n, always we use the formula integration of x to the power n dx, that is equal to x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Here instead of n we have given a, so we write here a to the power x to the power a plus 1 upon the same number a plus 1 plus integration of a to the power x. We know that this is the standard formula. Integration of a to the power x is a to the power x upon log a plus constant of integration. This is the correct answer. So here answer is x to the power a plus 1 upon a plus 1 plus a to the power x upon log a plus c. So C is the correct answer. So in this way we have completed this problem. Integration of e to the power x into sin x plus cos x dx. Answers here given: e to the power x sin x plus constant of integration. B answer e to the power x into cos x plus constant of integration. C answer minus e to the power x into cos x plus constant of integration. D answer here e to the power x into sin square x plus sin x, sin square x plus sin x plus constant of integration. Now see here we have one formula. When there is e to the power x, integration of e to the power x, and if in the bracket function and its derivative we have given in addition, function and its derivative, integration of e to the power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx, it is equal to e to the power x into function plus constant of integration. Okay, so we have to choose here which is the function and which is its derivative. So we know that derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of sin x is cos x, and formula is e to the power x function plus its derivative is equal to e to the power x into function plus constant of integration. So here solution is e to the power x and function here sin x, so e to the power x into sin x plus constant of integration. So here A is the correct answer. Okay, we stop here. Thank you.